The NorthCap University is situated amongst the technology hub of Gurugram, very close to Udyog Vihar. So collaborations with industry, ease of getting internships, inviting industry experts for projects and mentorships of students is what sets the university aside from those which are located at the outskirts of the NCR. With regards to facilities, NCU has constantly upgraded its infrastructure. Recently, it has added the smart classroom, which are world-class facility for conducting global lectures. Faculty and students from various countries across the world can conduct live streaming video lectures. These classrooms have array of extremely sensitive rooftop microphones, motion-enabled video cameras and double large-size screens at the front and back of the room for comfort viewing. NCU is on a path of accelerated growth, not only in terms of number of schools, programs and students, but also in terms of infrastructure and quality enhancement. In a span of 10 years, it is set to grow by leaps and bounds and is sure to attain a growth in the tune of almost 3 times its current size and quality.